Look at our tent. Oh my god! Wave! Ron, if we can still see you. Wave! Yeah, we are at the dance studio because we are active citizens and we care about mental health. Maybe a bit too much, but yeah. Oh! Wait. Guys, girl, you don't have to do that. You can. Okay, which one needs help first? Once you get up, you can get up. She's done it before. Come on, you can do it. Yeah. So heavy. No, but once you stand up, it's easy to stay there. Wait, follow me. Put your head up. Lift your by your shoulders. Pull by your shoulders. What the hell? I just went under. That was so scary. I can't do it. My arms are too weak. I feel like go. Your butt's too high, Rania. Oh. Oh, I'm shaking. Shit. I can't do this. No. Oh my god. Okay. I can't got a big butt. We're going to my house. Mikasa to casa. मेरा घर अब हम घर जा रहे हैं Hello. Look at our tent. This is where we live now. Go there, go out. We're going that way. Oh. This is our beach. Why are you house? The wind is literally winding. You should have seen when the umbrella flipped the other way around. Wait. Is it stupid? Don't say it.
He's a good boy. No, I'm babies. I'm just a baby. Unface. Calling. Oh my baby. He's my baby and I'm gonna steal him. I'm gonna kill him. The voice cracks.
Oh, he's angry.
But the nails hurt. He's angry. No, the teeth hurt. But not that one. Oh, don't. Yeah. What's how? Hold it like a baby, not like a hamster.
Yeah, there you go.
And that was it. Wow.
It's good for now because he's still getting used to it. Oi, I got that. That's too much. That's too much, baby.
Get the seeds out. Can you turn around?
Thank you so much for the food. I was actually so hungry and it's just so good.
Can I find your name in it? Okay, girl, I'm a romantic. So we have the Korean bulldog.
Stop! I've never tried that.
Red Hot Franks, and we have Bullseye.
Wait, we're done. Here's my set of cards. Nisha, your turn.
You know what? You know what actually says it? I'm not kidding. I need to like get there. I'm gonna look at you and really start.
There you go. I want another cat now. I wish my cat was like this to me. But he's too old to make like he's 2 years old. And that's so funny. You don't like you no more. Bye, Monty. Bye.
Say bye to Nisha as well.
Bye, Nisha.
Bye, guys.
Thank you, man. Bye.
It's okay. Bye. I love you guys.
Oh my gosh, she's so
I'm surprised you said that. I love you too.
I caught that on camera.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
You were a lovely guest. Okay.
I love you most.
Right now.
Okay. You're a lovely guest. You were a lovely guest. Grammatical error.
Wave. I broke my nail. But we're on the bus. We are 15 minutes late.
But if you sprint, we'll make it in like...
Okay, we're 10 minutes late. And Tika is meant to be here. And she's not here yet. It's fine. So the plan has changed. The original plan was to start choreographing a dance, you know, like a proper dance for half the time and the other half do TikToks. Now it's just all TikToks. we got no time to be sitting there brainstorming. But we're hoping, because it is, what's the day today?
It's Good Friday.
Yeah, it's Good Friday, that people are feeling good. And the workers are being nice, and maybe they let us have extra time because we came in late. Yeah, that's it. Say bye.
Cameraman.
Hey, it works.
Saw you.
This is so advanced technology.
What the hell? I don't know.
BTS. I like the ending. Ending is beautiful. Okay, try again. Or do you wanna try
Made by yours truly. I'm joking.
Okay, you wanna try at this? There, so down, 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 bus. You want to do belly dance, either like do something with the belly.
Do it now.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh! Asilai, and then okay.
Oh, sorry.
And then through. Oh, same way, facing the same way. Okay.
Hips so light. Shakira, Shakira.
I'm so tired, but look at the beautiful studio. How do you feel about today?
Stressful.
Stressful. She's doing her content, and so am I.
It's a free sausage roll.
Are you gonna get another one?
The green is showing.
Okay, wait. Well, let's test it. Stop. Is the music playing? Hey, music.
On that way.
Okay, share. Okay, then you can.
Sexy man.
It's too long, man.
How do you feel?
Wait, be real.
Like, how do you feel?
No, wait, stop. It's lagging. Shit. I missed it. By 17 seconds. Stop, go away. I wanna drop.
Someone.
Should we go take a picture with it?
Wow.
The struggles. Oh, this is too funny. The wind is doing its thing. It's doing its. You can't even see my hair blowing. We're going to Primark to get her mother a bodysuit. Shoes. This is so embarrassing. Volunteering is closed because it's Easter Sunday. I literally asked them if they were open or closed last week, but my silly little brain does not remember what the answer was. So I still showed up. And it's closed. And a bunch of the other stores which I was hoping would be open are closed. How'd you feel? Nice. I can't wait to go home and take a shower. What? Ew.
Oh, bananas.
Not backwards.
Yes, backwards.
Not backwards. Whoa. Welcome to my crib. Damn. Don't lock me. Open the door. Got the samples. And the sample. Ooh, hot. Oh. What do you do? 5 pound from me. Very cheesy. Whole pizza.
Pepperoni. And pepperoni.
Yeah, jacket potato with a chicken bake as well. Yeah, it's refillable. Where? Nice. Try it. Do you like it? It's really thick. That's nice.
Ew, mustard.
Welcome to my car corner. Look, that's my seat. And this is my weekly shopping. Yeah. Where are we, baby? Why?
I don't know.
Oh. I have. I want a black water. Whoa. Next up, Hobbycraft. You can't even see it. Secure the goods.